Welcome, ladies and gents. I'm going to do a quick review on a 5-ounce silver buffalo round picked up from JM Bullion recently. It's made by Silvertowne, Indian on this side, and the buffalo. It's a fairly large coin. See it in the palm of my hand there. Demonstrate the thickness. Now, I left the protective sleeve on it because I'm not sure whether I should take it out, whether that will cause any damage if I leave it in there. Can't really find any information on the web about that, so if you got any information, valid information, besides getting a, like a plastic case, obviously, but an airtight, but any information on that would be greatly appreciated. Also, this coin has a mirrored-like finish, as you can see here. Now, one thing I don't like about it is the detail on the buffalo itself seems kind of lackluster, and they could have done a little bit better job on that, but hey, it's a bullion coin. It's not numismatic, so I mean, it could be, but I doubt it. Yeah, so just wanted to do a quick review on this coin. I don't know if I'll pick up any more of these, but it's pretty cool to own one. I also want to give a shout out to Silver Stack Zach and Silver Diva for recently subscribing to my channel. And yeah, support the YouTube community, and thanks for watching.